In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule events in Basecamp. Let's get started. First, open the project where you want to create the event. Inside the project, click on Schedule. This opens a calendar view where you can see all upcoming activities and planned dates for the project. Next, click Add an Event. This will open a simple form where you can create your new schedule item. Now, enter the event title, date, and time. Keep the title short and clear so it's easy to recognize on the calendar, like Team Meeting or Client Review. Then choose the correct date and set the start time and end time if needed. If your team is in different time zones, double-check your time zone settings to make sure everyone sees the correct schedule. After that, add any extra details. You can include an agenda, meeting link, location, or instructions for the team. You can also attach files like documents, slides, or spreadsheets so everything is in one place. Make sure the key information is clear and easy to follow before the event. Once everything is ready, click Save. Your event will now appear on the project schedule. And that's it. You've successfully scheduled an event in Basecamp. This helps your team stay organized, aligned, and always aware of important dates.